All right, today I'm going to go over how to change the rear running light in a 2012 Honda Fit. And we come back here, we're going to have a little screwdriver guy there that pops. You can just work your way around. These has little clips, but this guy just pulls right out. Then we reach into here. This is the running light. We got our reverse bulb and your turn signal are all here. When you turn this, you turn, it'll be counterclockwise. So there's a little fitting in here. That guy, you turn counterclockwise. The fitting comes out. And there are these little notches that fit into place. As you can see, that's what locks it in. When you pull this bulb out, use rubber gloves. The bulb pulls straight up. And it is a dual filament bulb, so it's the brake light and running light. Pull the bulb straight up. I'll put a link in the description to the bulb. You push the new bulb right in using a glove or paper towel, and then you slide this back into place. And the hardest part about this is finding the little grooves that it matches up and then twisting it into place. So you got to line it up. It's a little bit of a tight spot. And then twist clockwise to lock it into place. And there we go. So I got this locked into place. It can be hard to kind of find the notches. It is nice to actually take your phone and stick it in there to see where stuff is, or you can just look through the light from the outside to see if you're lining up in there. So we're all lined up. We got our bulb in, then this guy, plastic piece, just fits in there, and we're ready to go. Hey, if this was helpful, subscribe. We'll see you next time.